Okay, today we're going to be doing a video of Subway Surfers, as you can see. The fake version though, sadly enough. And I'm going to try and get higher than 536 points. So, hope you enjoy this video and hope you subscribe and hit that like button. And you can do it. I'm not really good at this game, if you know. Well, this time I'll try and be really good. What? I don't know why I did that, but yeah. I'm not really good at it, but yeah. I think this will, right, I'm gonna have 2 more goes. I'm normally really good at it. Oh no. It was higher, I guess, but still not very good. This will be my last go. It's normal, I know like this bit's really easy, but after I've done 2 more goes, this will be my last go. But I'm normally like really good with the trains. Like they normally lie with it. For some reason today they're not. I like the policemen for some reason. They're just like so annoying. It's actually quite hard to control with PC, Windows 10, because like you can't use your mouse to do it. You have to use the up and down buttons on side to side. It's a little bit hard to me. I didn't know you could do that, but clearly you could on this game. I'm doing pretty good. Last go is always the best normally. I'm getting a little bit nervous now. I've got so high on this game, but on my iPad I used to go really high. I was really good at this game when I used to have it. Oh no. I died. But I definitely beat my high score because I got 896. And I got a chest and lots of money. But I think I'll be ending my video there. Remember, hope you subscribe and hit that like button. Bye bye!